Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make dark season intro effect on Filmora 9. Let's start the video. First of all, import your audio and video file. I import some stock footage. Drag your video into timeline. Delete unnecessary part of the video. Now go to effects and search mirror. And apply mirror effects in your video. This video is look like dark season effects. But you can add more effects for interesting cinematic view. Add mirror flip effects and see. Then you can use mirror effects again. Add another video. Select previous video and right click on this and select copy effect. Right click on second video and select paste effect and see. Apply same process in another video. For more dramatic view, you can use a kaleidoscope effect. Go to effects and go distortion and select kaleidoscope and apply on it. And now look like the real dark series intro. Apply on it in other video and see. Add background music for interesting view. For floating effect, you can add water effect. Go to effects and search water and apply on video. For control floating effects, double left click on the video and go video effects. Select drop down water and low down emboss and steps. Copy and paste the effect in other video and see. And export your project. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.